If you are confused between Samsung QLED and LG OLED, and you do not know which TV model is actually worth your money in 2026, then stay with me for the next 10 minutes. Because by the end of this video, you will clearly understand which TV you should buy, which model to avoid, and how to get the best picture, sound, and long-term value without wasting a single dollar. Before we go deeper, one important thing. This video is created with the help of AI, but every single point is 100% practical, verified, and workable. All information is cross-checked from real user reviews, Reddit discussions, professional calibrator opinions, tech websites, long-term YouTube tests, and thousands of buyer comments. Watch the full video carefully and you will be able to solve your own problem without depending on any salesman. If you face any difficulty, write in the comments and I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us start from the basics, but in a technician style, simple, clear, and practical. Samsung QLED and LG OLED are not just brand names, they are completely different display technologies. Samsung QLED is actually an advanced LCD panel with quantum dot layer, mini LED backlight, and very high brightness. LG OLED is a self-emissive display where each pixel lights itself and can turn completely off for perfect black. This one difference changes everything: brightness, contrast, gaming performance, burn-in risk, room lighting, and even electricity usage. Now I will compare them model by model, not marketing versus marketing, but real-life usage versus real-life usage. Let us start with mid-range models, because most people buy these. Samsung QN85C and LG B3. Samsung QN85C uses mini LED with local dimming. Brightness goes around 1,500 nits in HDR. This is excellent for bright rooms, windows, and daytime viewing. Sports, news, and cable TV look very punchy. LG B3 uses OLED panel with lower brightness compared to higher OLED models. HDR brightness stays around 600 to 700 nits. In a dark room, movies look cinematic and deep, but in a very bright room, reflections can reduce impact. Trick number 1. If your room has tube lights, white walls, or sunlight, Samsung QN85C will look better without extra effort. If you mostly watch at night or can control lighting, LG B3 gives more accurate cinema feel. Burn-in concern. LG B3 uses OLED, and yes, burn-in is real, but modern OLED has pixel shift, logo dimming, and screen refresh. If you watch mixed content, movies, series, YouTube, gaming, burn-in risk is extremely low. If you watch only news channels with fixed logos for 8 hours daily, QLED is safer. I hope this guide helps you choose the right TV. Leave your questions below, and I'll reply to every comment within 1 hour. Now gaming comparison. Both support 4K at 120 Hz. Samsung QN85C supports variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and FreeSync Premium Pro. LG B3 supports G-Sync, FreeSync, variable refresh rate, and has lower input lag. Trick number 2. For console gaming like PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, LG OLED has slightly better response time. For PC gaming in bright rooms, Samsung QLED maintains brightness without ABL dimming. Now let us move to upper mid-range models. Samsung QN90C versus LG C3. This is where most confusion happens. Samsung QN90C is one of the brightest TVs available. HDR highlights can reach close to 2,000 nits. Mini LED local dimming is very strong. Blooming is well controlled but not fully eliminated. LG C3 is the most popular OLED TV worldwide. Brightness is improved compared to older models, but still lower than QN90C. However, black levels are absolute zero. Shadow detail is cleaner. No blooming at all. Trick number 3. If you watch HDR movies mastered at 1000 nits, LG C3 looks more accurate. If you watch HDR sports, YouTube HDR, or animated content, Samsung QN90C looks more eye-catching. Which one fits your setup? Let me know in the comments, and I promise to reply to every single one within 1 hour. LG OLED has near-instant pixel response, making fast-action movies and gaming look smoother without motion blur. Samsung QLED is good, but its LCD nature still shows minor blur in very fast scenes compared to OLED. Now for sound. The Samsung QN90C has stronger built-in speakers with better bass, while LG C3 is clear but weaker in low frequencies. Trick number 4. If you don't plan to buy a soundbar, Samsung gives better out-of-the-box audio. For external speakers, LG wins. Now for premium models, the Samsung S90C and LG G3. This is where things get really interesting. Samsung S90C uses a QD OLED panel, combining perfect blacks with higher color brightness for vibrant, punchy visuals. The LG G3 uses MLA technology to increase brightness significantly, making its HDR performance truly excellent. I hope this guide helps you choose the perfect TV. Drop your questions below, and I promise to reply within 1 hour. Trick number 5. For punchy gaming colors, choose Samsung S90C. But for a premium cinema experience, LG G3 is superior. Important: Samsung does not support Dolby Vision. LG supports it, plus Dolby Atmos and Filmmaker mode. Trick number 6. Watch Netflix or Blu-rays. You need Dolby Vision. Mainly game? Samsung's HDR10 Plus is enough. Now, operating systems. Samsung's Tizen is fast, but often shows ads. LG's WebOS is cleaner and simpler. Finally, durability. Samsung QLEDs don't burn in. LG OLEDs are reliable, but avoid leaving static images on screen. Let Pixel Refresh do its job. I promise to reply to your comments within 1 hour. Trick number 8. Go to Settings, then General, then OLED Care, then Pixel Cleaning, and keep it on auto. This alone reduces burn-in risk massively. Electricity consumption. Samsung QLED uses more power at high brightness, while LG OLED uses less power in dark scenes. Trick number 9. If electricity cost is high in your area, OLED can be slightly more efficient for movie watching. Now for final recommendations. Choose Samsung QLED if your room is bright, you watch sports and news for long hours, or you want high brightness without burn-in worries. Choose LG OLED if you love movies, watch mostly at night, and want that perfect black, cinematic picture with Dolby Vision. Best value picks in 2026, the Samsung QN90C for bright rooms and the LG C3 for a balanced movie and gaming experience. For gamers, the Samsung S90C offers OLED brightness, while the LG G3 is for premium home theater lovers. I hope this guide helps. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I promise to reply to everyone within 1 hour. Final trick, very important. Never judge TV inside showroom lighting. Showrooms use vivid mode and extreme brightness. At home, use Filmmaker mode or Cinema mode. Go to Settings, then go to Picture mode, then Filmmaker mode. Then adjust brightness based on your room. If you follow this, even a mid-range TV will look premium. That is it for today. If you liked this detailed technician-style comparison, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Drop your questions in the comments, and I promise to reply within 1 hour. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Final trick, very important. Never judge TV inside showroom lighting. Showrooms use vivid mode and extreme brightness. At home, use Filmmaker mode or Cinema mode. Go to Settings, then go to Picture mode, then Filmmaker mode. Then adjust brightness based on your room. If you follow this, even a mid-range TV will look premium. That is it for today. If you liked this detailed technician-style comparison, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Drop your questions in the comments, and I promise to reply within 1 hour. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.